Welcome back. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to upload your project from Spring Tool Suites to GitHub. And I already have a Spring Boot project here. This is a basic Hello World controller, and we want to upload this to GitHub. So let's go to GitHub. First thing we're going to do, this is the main page, the dashboard. We're going to create a new repository. We hit New. We're going to type in a name. It's just going to be a Hello World app. I'm going to leave the description empty. We're going to leave it public. And we're going to add a README file. Hit Create Repository. And now it's going to take us to that repository. So here we see this is our Hello World app repository with that basic README file in it. It's the only thing we have in it right now. So we're going to upload our project from Spring Tool Suites to that. So to do that, we go to here to the code. You're going to click, and you're going to click this button right here, which is, of course, to copy it. Now, let's go back to Spring Tool Suites. In the top right, you're going to see a search bar. And we're going to type in Git, and you're going to see Git repositories. Let's select that. And all you're going to do is right-click, and then you're going to paste repository path or URL. Okay, so it has that URL, knows it's GitHub, it's created the path. Now, one thing you're going to need to do is to create a token for this, right? So it already has my authentication here, but this authentication won't work for this repo. So to do that, I'm going to demonstrate in GitHub what you need to do to get a personal access token once you've set up two-factor authorization with GitHub. So we're going back to GitHub. We're going to go to our personal profile, and we're going to go to settings. Once you're here, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And right here, you're going to see developer settings. So let's click on that. Then here's personal access token. And there's two types of token. There's the classic token and a fine-grained tokens. Classic token essentially creates a token that gives access to everything, where fine-grained, you can really be specific on what you want to do. So we're going to do a fine-grained token. We're going to generate personal access token. Going to call it Hello World app token. You can set this whatever you want. I'm going to do it 7 days just for demo purposes. And we're going to scroll down. So here's where you get to specify what you're going to have. We're only going to do selected repositories for this example. If this is your own one, you can do all repositories. You can do public access. For this example, I'm going to do a selected repository. And then right here is the application or the repo we just created, the Hello World app. So I'm going to click on that. And now we need to give permissions. And the only permission we're going to need is for the contents, right? This is for commits. So what we'll be doing is committing code from our Spring Tool Suites to GitHub. We're going to grant this read and write access. And we're going to generate the token. All right, so we're going to copy this token. Go back to Spring Tool Suites. I already have my username on here. And I'm going to paste that token. So again, if you have two-factor authorization set up with GitHub and you put your password in here, you're still going to get an access denied error. What you need to do is create a personal access token, either a specific one like we just did for the repo, or a generic one that gives you access to all of your GitHub. But putting your password here won't work. So we're going to hit next. Next again. And we're going to hit finish. All right. So now we have our Hello World app in our Git repos, and now we need to assign it to our project. So right click on our Hello World app here. You're going to come down to Teams, and you're going to do Share Project. And here's where you get to select that repo, and we're going to hit Finish. And now you can see again, Hello World app, Spring Boot application with our Hello World app repo in the main branch. All right, so the final thing we need to do is actually commit that code to GitHub. We're going back up to the search bar, and we're going to hit Git Staging. And here we have all of our unstaged changes. You hit this plus button right here, and it's going to add all the files, and they've been put into the staging environment. Write a commit message, and then all we have to do is commit and push. And right here it says push to Hello World app. Now let's go back to our GitHub and confirm that that's been pushed to it. I'm going to search for Hello World app. And here we go, right? First commit, done just now. And Hello World, this is all of our Spring Boot project in there. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions on how to set this up, leave a comment in there and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.